Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a yummilicious recipe for you of a savory muffin. They've turned out so good, soft, fluffy, with all the goodness inside. Let me show you what it looks like. It's just come out of the oven. There you go. Beautiful savory muffins. And let me do a taste test. Oh my goodness, gracious milk. Oh, piping hot. We're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take a blender and we crack in 4 medium eggs into it. Give it a good whiz, and into that 1/3 of a cup of melted butter and 1/3 of a cup of coconut flour. Give it all a good mix in your blender. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and whiz again. And as it's whizzing, after it's whizzed up, put it into a mixing bowl. And now we are going to add all our yumminess. So I am adding 1 cup, literally you can add more or less, of pepperoni, chopped up jalapeños. If you like more, like it more chili, add more jalapeños. If you like it less, add less. 1 cup of shredded cheese. I had it in a block. I put that in. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and half a teaspoon of maybe chili flakes, which is optional. Give it all a good mix, and of course 1 teaspoon of salt, which somehow I seem to forget. Now I've taken a silicone muffin pan and I'm filling them all up to about almost to the top. They will rise beautifully, and into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 30 to 35 minutes. And just see, here they are out of the oven after the time. Beautiful, soft, piping hot, savory muffins. Great to have as breakfast or for a snack on the go. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.